Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, service door, wireless WAN module, wireless module, optical drive, hard disk drive assembly, fan, keyboard, base enclosure, USB board, right speaker, and hinge cover. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the display panel and wireless antenna cables for later replacement. Remove the wireless antenna cables from the tape and routing channel on the left speaker. Remove the two 4mm T8 torx head screws that secure the display panel assembly and display panel cable grounding loop to the top cover. Lift the top cover off of the display panel hinges and guide the display panel and wireless antenna cables through the cutouts in the top cover. Caution: take care not to scratch the display panel assembly when removing the top cover. Remove the top cover. Replacement. Note: before installing a new top cover, remove the following from the old top cover and install on the new top cover. System board, left speaker, function button board, power button board, fingerprint reader board, touchpad board, smart card reader board. Guide the wireless antenna cables and display panel cable through the cutouts in the top cover. Align the cutouts in the top cover with the display panel hinges and lower the top cover onto the display panel assembly. Caution: take care not to scratch the display panel assembly when replacing the top cover. Replace the two 4mm T8 torx head screws that secure the display panel assembly and display panel cable grounding loop to the top cover. Route the wireless antenna cables through the routing channel and tape on the left speaker.